Hello, so today we are going to be changing the oil and oil filter on my Honda Rebel 500 or CMX500. It's a 2020 model. So this is what we will be using today. We've got the oil filter, I have my ratchet, we've got the oil pan and a funnel. I've also got some gloves, some foil to wrap over the headers, and of course some paper towel to clean up our mess. I also picked up this 12mm crush washer that I will need to replace the old one on the drain bolt. It's recommended that you turn the bike on for about 2 to 5 minutes before emptying the oil, just so it has a chance to circulate and push everything out. Just be careful because things might be a little bit hot. Then we will start by loosening the oil cap to remove any internal pressure. It's a bit blurry here, but there is our drain bolt. A small ratchet extender may help with reaching it if needed. It requires a 12mm socket. Cleaning up as we go, making sure the old crush washer isn't still attached. Do that there, we have our new crush washer on as well. Just gonna tighten it until that washer is properly crushed and molded to shape. So right there. Now we're going to move on to changing the oil filter. This is the filter I picked up. Here I'm just putting foil over the headers so they don't get oil on them. It's just easier to clean up that way. These can be a bit tight, but I managed to get mine loose just by hand. Coat the new oil filter with some oil and then lubricate the seal. We're going to hand tighten this, not over tight. Just make sure it's nice and snug. The oil indicator is a bit hard to see on the Honda Rebel, but it's down near the foot pegs. Always check the oil when the bike is upright. There will be 2 lines on the oil indicator to show you how low or full the oil is. You want the oil to be between those 2 lines. It's recommended in the manual to get 10W30 4-stroke motorcycle oil. This is the one that I got. With an oil and filter change, it's recommended to refill about 2.7 liters of oil. Always follow your service manual instructions. Here I'm lifting the bike upright to check the oil as I pour. If you don't have a lift, maybe get someone to help you out. It's a lot easier that way. To finish off, I started the bike up to let the oil circulate. Check the level again once it's cooled down. Hope this helped. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.